The Reef server almost made me lose this account. This is how it started. I asked my students on who has a small account for my next video and got this sent account. Price already tapped my resistance and moved halfway through the setup, so I waited for higher time frame reversal and a precise bullish entry before going long. Now I've set my TP, let's see how it goes. Minutes in, I'm setting my BE. As market have gone a bit far to secure the account. And it was a clean TP. Now we look for the next setup. Now I'm at high frequency volatility 10. There's no serious analysis on this trade as I'm just trying to scalp so I can trade better pairs. I'll just have my SL close as this can end really bad. Well, that's that. Let me look for a better pair to grow the account. Okay, I got this set up on step index as I caught the market at a demand zone. So I've got my entry on. I expect serious bullish pressure from this point. Let's see how it plays out. And now, market's almost at my TP point, but it's forming a reversal pattern. So I have to close to build the account a bit. And now I'm at step 500. I'll just scalp as the setup I have currently is not for small accounts. Not what I expected, but I have to maintain strict risk control to grow the account. Hours later, I took a short at a supply zone. From observations with new pairs, sell setups have higher probability than longs. Anyway, let's see how this goes. And now we are in good profits, but market doesn't seem to be breaking in that zone as I thought it would. So I've applied my break even. On the next trade, price has repeatedly rejected that zone, so I'm scalping accordingly. And now I'll be closing the market as it seems to be reversing. I'm not in any hurry as I'll keep building little by little. Later on, I caught a very sweet trade as market will close the wick created on the 1 hour chart. And now market is practically at my TP. I'll close the rest immediately it hits. And boom, on to the next setup. And now I'm at gold. Market have broken the high created, so I waited for a new 15-minute candle before entering the market. I expect the market to head towards my resistance line, but I'll take precaution since it's gold we're talking about. With that momentum, I expected a breakout, but the bulls lost strength and a 4-hour doji formed, so I've closed for now. Next day, I caught this setup on V51S as the market is in a downtrend, and with a new hourly candle open, I expect a pullback into my zone before continuation. Wait, I guess the market is not pulling in before continuing the trend. I don't know why, but I'm trying to enter the market and it's not picking. Let me reduce the load first. It's not still working. Okay, wait, hold up, what's this? They just approved all my attempts to enter the market, which caused this loss. I should still be able to recover with this bearish pressure. Well then, I don't really have patience for the market today after all the server pulled off. Next day, I got this set up on one of the high frequency as the market had a breakout on the 4-hour chart, suggesting a strong bearish prowess. Let me set my TP properly. Minutes later, market seems to be reversing, so I set a tight BE. At least we got a really good profit from this trade. I feel like stopping here, but nah, let's hit $2,000. Hours later, I'm back at the same high frequency trade. Once the market crosses this limit, I'm entering. Now I'll just set my take profit. Let's see how it plays out. And that's just it, but I'm not going to lie, this account really took my time and focus growing. Well then, don't forget to interact with my video. You can join my free community, link in bio. Have a lovely day.